In a move that raised eyebrow, Tribal Minister Kuwar Vijay Shah was seen alongside Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav at Parliament on Tuesday. The timing is notable, just days after Shah's controversial remark about Colonel Sofia Qureshi. The CM was in Delhi to meet Union Home Minister Amit Shah. After the meeting, both Yadav and Vijay Shah were seen walking and chatting within Parliament premises. Their appearance together comes amid political tension, prompting speculation about internal dynamics and party discipline. No official comment yet from BJP leaders on Shah's remark or his public presence with the CM. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will visit Gwalior on August 25th for a high-profile diplomatic engagement. He is scheduled to meet Fiji's President William, also known in some circles as Nakama Lala Balabu. Both leaders will spend nearly 2 hours together with joint event and talk likely on the agenda. This rare international visit to Madhya Pradesh has prompted major security preparations and intense public interest. Officials say the meeting is expected to strengthen ties with Pacific nation. Gwalior will be under tight security as local administration prepare to host two heads of state on the same day. The Supreme Court has sharply criticized the state government over 13% OBC job vacancies that remain unfilled for 6 years. During Tuesday's hearing, lawyer Varun Thakur representing the OBC Mahasabha told court that qualified candidates are still waiting for appointments. In a scathing remark, the court asked, "Is the MP government sleeping?" The case involved MPPSC selected candidates and is seen as a major issue of social justice. The next and final hearing is scheduled for September 23rd. The court has demanded a full explanation from the state before that date, raising pressure on the government. The National Academy of Direct Taxes NADT Regional Center in Bhopal has received ISO certification for excellence in training and capacity development. Principal Chief Commissioner of Income Tax Aparna Karwan accepted the honor and said the recognition will push the team to achieve even higher standards. NADT is one of the India's premier training centers for tax officials and staff. Officials said the next focus will be improving training quality and modernizing systems. The award boosts Bhopal's profile as a hub for civil service education and showcases national level standards in public training institutions. Madhya Pradesh is set to celebrate a 5-day cultural extravaganza Shri Krishna festival from August 14 to 18. The Culture Department is organizing the event around Balram Jayanti and Krishna Janmashtami. More than 3,000 temples will host special pujas, matki food competitions, Ras Leela and devotional music performance. Over 1,000 artists will perform at 100 key locations across the state. Organizers say the festival will showcase India's rich cultural tradition and spiritual heritage, while also drawing large crowds to public venues. Preparations are in full swing as the state gear up for vibrant celebration and massive public participation. Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav met Union Home and Corporation Minister Amit Shah in Delhi on Monday to discuss state-level progress. Yadav highlighted Madhya Pradesh's rapid implementation of new criminal laws and innovations in the cooperative sector. He revealed a bold goal to make MP the milk capital of India. The state currently contributes 9% to national milk production, and the CM wants to raise it to 25%. The meeting reportedly took place in a cordial and focused atmosphere with emphasis on agriculture, law enforcement and dairy development as pillar of MP's future growth. Frustration boiled over in bitter war on Tuesday as farmer protesters fertilizer shortage by blocking the main bitter war Dabra road. Many had gathered outside the local cooperative society as early as 4 a.m. only to find it shut hours later. With no official in sight, farmers, many of them women, sat on the road halting traffic and drawing attention to the crisis. The protest caused long jam and rising temper. Eventually, SDM official intervened, promising supply. Each farmer received 2 sacks of fertilizers and the road was cleared. However, the incident highlights growing pressure on the rural supply chains. A disturbing incident has surfaced at PM Shri School in Sutalia, Rajgarh district, where a student played a pornographic video on the classroom LED screen. Shockingly, other students were seen watching and one even filmed the scene on the mobile phone. District Education Officer Karan Singh Bhilala has launched an inquiry with Development Officer Dilip Sharma, set to submit a report within 24 hours. Authorities have promised strict action, including possible penalties against the school. The Education Department says the case is being treated with utmost seriousness and has sparked concern about digital misuse in classroom. Light rain brought much needed relief to Indore and surroundings areas on Tuesday evening. After a day of rising heat, the drizzle and cool breeze provided a welcome change. According to the weather department, a new system is becoming active and could bring more rain tomorrow. While heavy showers are not expected, moderate rainfall may continue in parts of Madhya Pradesh. Farmers are optimistic as the rain helps with crop growth and lower temperatures. Residents step out to enjoy the pleasant weather, which is expected to stay for the next 24 hours.